It's our place. Ay, kali kita sudah astaga. Hujan lebat tadi. Lebat tadi. Wah. Monkey. Setengah jam 20 setengah jam macam tu. Mana satu tempat lagi. Ada bang. Dewan makan.
Speaking of this picture, any scuba divers, avid fan of snorkeling? Ada? Okay. Oh, very few. Surprising. Okay, but then this is where you want to be if you want to go to a clear water mangrove. You can snorkel with marine lives. You can snorkel looking at what's happening underwater among the roots of mangrove. Slightly different from what we have here. I'm pretty sure many of you have been here. Siapa dah pernah pergi Langkawi mesti pernah pergi Kiling. Betul atau tidak? Okay, angkat tangan ramai yang anggur. Okay, so this one is fairly okay lah. Maknanya average kita like to travel and like to take boats. But what I want to point here is look at the beauty of mangrove amongst this geological heritage. Look at that, astounding, yeah. And look at that also. This is a physical development where all of us, yeah, ask your grandparents, ask your great grandparents if they're still alive, how Malay villagers, for example, or Chinese villagers in Kuala Selangor, for example, started off. So they depended on mangrove from the protection that they provide. Yeah, we never simply cut mangrove, to clear it and to build our facilities long time ago. But nowadays, we're getting very intelligent. We have so many technologies, so many engineers agaknya. So we are trying to fight with nature. That's wrong. We have to build with nature. We have to blend ourselves with nature because we have been depending on them for a long, long time. And thirdly, siapa suka seafood? So imagine, always remember, when we feel like having seafood, what we will do? Cari Grab ke buka Waze. Buka Waze, we will look for seafood restaurant. It will take you to the coastal areas, to the coastal villages, to the coastal town. Orang KL pergi Kelang, pergi Kapar, pergi Bagan Lalang. So that drives you to the coast because that's where you find all your precious seafoods. Yeah? We fish for commercial fishes right out there, but the commercial fishes actually lay their eggs here in the mangrove. This is how they are very, very important. Yeah? So that's the first message I want to tell you. Second is mangroves are awesome. This is briefly. Secondly, I want to tell you why this project is awesome. And thirdly, the third objective of my briefing today will be to tell you why all of you being here is awesome. Okay? So bear with me. And very importantly, you can only find mangroves here in the tropics. Yeah, in the tropics alone. And especially our country. This region, Southeast Asia region, is the center, epicenter of species distribution of mangrove. Here is where you find the largest area of mangrove. Dia kata betul lah tu. And then the highest species, the highest number of species sangat betul gitu. Alright, and this is a typical view. Anywhere you go around the coast, along the coast of Malaysia, this is the typical view. So, but then what we're going to see later, perhaps not as dense as this, and because there's a special case. So, I want to tell you that mangroves are very intelligent group of plants and animals. You see? Because like me, I'm the last I measured, I was 59 point something. Mungkin lepas puasa beraya agaknya. Biasanya 60 plus sikit je lah. But then, even me with 60 kilogram walking in the mangrove, I can find myself unstable most of the time. Yeah? And imagine, these trees, tons, 1 ton, 1.5 tons. Yeah? So, how they do it? How they deal with this muddy sediment, very soft sediment? They form specialized root system to stabilize themselves. If they act like our banyan tree ni, atau rambutan atau durian, they will fall if they grow bigger and heavier. And then they use this because why? Later you will realize, you go into the mangrove later, you will realize how compact the muds are, the muddy soil are, because there's no oxygen. Rambutan, durian kita buang, biar tambah, nanti akar dia boleh dapat air from the soil. Tapi oxygen from the soil. Mangrove tak boleh. So what they do? They think and they form these roots to get oxygen from the air and to absorb nutrient when tides come in. So this is how smart they are. And then the salt. This is another confusion. A lot of you think that mangrove suka sangat air masin. No. They are like our normal forest. They need water, a lot of water. Itu beza dia. But they have this ability to filter salt. Another idea for research. Siapa team researcher here? Yang tu group yang I lupa nak thank tadi. Sebab I nampak Cecilia sikit. I will do a special thank to all of you later. Okay, so and then some of the species pula, they tersedut. Nobody is perfect. Datuk saya pun, kita pun. So they absorb. And how they do it, how they deal with this extra salt. Kita berlari, kita jogging, kan, nak berpeluh. Tapi, they release it through their leaves. So, pay attention. Kejap lagi ada chance, jalan, look around you. Tengok how they excrete their salt. And this is true, this is real. I tak tipu because in Malaysia, because too much rain, tadi all datang, jalan hujan semua panik, betul tak? But luckily lah, nama tadi dah naik. And this is true, and this is real, because this happened in Langkawi, where Langkawi has this dry period. So I managed to capture that image lah. So mana betul-betul ada. So they are very hardworking. That's the second key point. Tadi very intelligent and hardworking, and now they are very passionate, affectionate. Sorry, penyayang. So bercakap pasal Father's Day, when you look at mangrove babies ni, this is actually the fruit, tau, at the tip. But what you see here is the batang pokok already. So the parents actually allow their babies to grow on them. Why? Boleh siapa jawab? Sebab I tak bagi handout tadi, so no one knows it. Okay. Because of the extreme condition they are in. Yeah, so every day our mangrove here receive high tides twice a day. So if the parents release them like durian tree, jatuh hanyut, no chance of germinating, no chance of growing. So what the parents do is to release them when they tell the parents they're ready, and they straight away go to the soil and grow to become a juvenile and later adult tree. And how the parents die is another story altogether. That was my PhD. So kita set another lecture nanti Dr. Mr. Rafi, for that alone, So but then some of them drifted and they made new islands, and I discovered some new islands. Nanti I plan dengan Dato' kan, kita namakan beberapa pulau, nama-nama kita lah. Alright, so this is another key topic. I have to mention this, otherwise it won't make sense of what we're doing today. We breathe out carbon dioxide, betul? Who uses carbon dioxide? Only plants, okay. Alright, ni biology A1 semua ni dulu kot. Okay, never mind. But normally, in normal crowd, so this is a very smart crowd. Normally, people never really think about mangrove. Macam masa kecil, I watch Clark Kent. This is Clark Kent during my time lah. Now Clark Kent very handsome bird, lagi handsome bird. But to me, this is already super handsome. So no one cares about Clark Kent with the geeky eyes, kan, kerja kat Daily Planet reporter. So no one really cares. Lois Lim je pun tahu dia. Bos dia pun tak ingat nama dia. Alright, so no one cares. No one cares. But then when he turns into this alter ego, okay, we need him. Anytime when
Very good morning. Okay, my name is Michael. I was the park manager at Kuala Selangor Nature Park. And before I start talking about planting, just want to explain about a little bit of Kuala Selangor Nature Park. Okay, Kuala Selangor Nature Park is a non-profit organization under the Nature Society. We are managing since 1987, so almost 35 years we are managing Kuala Selangor Nature Park. And the forest is almost 290 hectares plus minus. And we have a 3 different type of ecosystem. There's a mangrove forest, lake system, a secondary forest, but mostly our main focus is mangrove because there's
Ini lagi. Taman Alam Kuala Selangor.
Okay. Oh, this is
Oh, dalam sudah sini. Ini jalan. Lumpur sudah, wah. Pusing sana lah. Hah? Oh, sebelah sana. Wow. Boleh. Video lagi.
Hujan. Anu cepat.
Ini nak tanam kat mana? Ini boleh. Boleh tak? Boleh ke bang? Ni. Sini. Lagi.
Hiding ah.